Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at the most portable camera microphone I have ever tried, the Xvive U6. Besides its compactness, this little microphone is wireless. Gone are now those annoying wires that make you feel uncomfortable and get caught in your belt or other accessories. And that is not all, it also has some small surprises for a budget microphone. So if you are looking for a wireless microphone to use when you film yourself or for other projects, this may be the one. Now let's see what you get in the box and what features the Xvive U6 microphone provides in this small but interesting package. In the box we have the receiver, transmitter and clip. More on that later. Behind it we have a small pouch that contains an instruction manual and warranty. A double charging cable, more on this later, H2 hook and loop adhesive, a key feature of this product. A 3.5 TRS to 3.5 TRRS adapter if you want to connect and use it with your phone, a fur windshield, this is nice, I know bigger brands that don't provide this and you need to buy it separately, and of course a 3.5mm stereo cable to connect the receiver to your camera, DSLR or mirrorless, and finally a nice little pouch to protect and carry the microphone. Here we have a very useful clip, more on this later. Next we have the transmitter that contains an omnidirectional microphone. I know what you're thinking, is it any good considering its size? Yes, the audio is high resolution 24-bit 48 kHz with a wide dynamic range, low noise and low distortion. Here we have the micro USB charging port. I think they use this to keep the size down. Next we have the receiver, which is not that bigger than the transmitter. It has a shoe mount so you can attach it to your camera hot shoe, rig handle and much more. On the side we have the micro USB charging port and two buttons, one to power on, off and change the channel because you have 4 channels available, and another button to select from 0 dB, -10 dB and -20. Now let me show you how easy and quick you can connect this to your camera on my Fujifilm X-H2S. Put the receiver in the hot shoe, then insert the stereo cable in the receiver and then in your camera. Turn the receiver on, select the channel and then turn on the transmitter and select the same channel as the receiver, and that is it. Experiment with the decibels and see what option fits your camera. Mine sounds good at -20 dB. Remember to select external microphone in your camera menu. The upcoming part of this video was recorded using the Xvive U6 microphone on my Fujifilm X-H2S. Now let me show you the cool features of this microphone. Not only it is small and portable, but it is also very easy to attach to your clothes in 4 different ways. First, with the clip, you can wear it on the outside, or for a slicker look you can hide it on the interior of your jacket. The microphone is sensitive enough to record sound even if it is under your clothes. And the second method is with the hook and loop fasteners, which is my favorite option. Again, you can wear it on the outside or the inside. The microphone is so easy, having only 18 grams, so you don't need to worry about it falling off. This is great if you don't have a jacket or an open shirt and only a t-shirt. The adhesive hook and loop can come in handy even in other conditions, and that is a cool feature to have. It also has a nice connection distance of 90 feet, but that depends on location and interference, as you can see here. Is the sound okay? 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 The receiver and transmitter battery lasts for around 4 hours. I managed to deplete mine's battery in 4 hours and 18 minutes, and they fully charge in 2 hours. The Xvive U6 broadcasts its wireless signal on the 2.4 GHz band. This would be a problem because of wireless interference, but you have 4 channels to choose from, so I had no problems with that. The latency is only 5 milliseconds, so your voice and your lips will always be in sync when you vlog, stream, or take an interview. Overall, for the price, this is a great wireless microphone. It has good audio, good stable connection to a long distance given the size, it is very easy to set up and very portable. Not to mention the cool way you can attach it to your clothes. What would you want more? If this video was helpful, please subscribe. See you next time.